All right, here I was working on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and I was doing the front brakes. And I want to show a quick rundown on what I did, because there's other videos, but they're like 20 minutes long, and it doesn't need to be that long. So on the caliper, it has these two bolts. They're 14 millimeters, and as I was loosening them, that inner slide pin started to move too. So what I did was I put a pair of vice grips on it, and then I loosened it like that. And the next thing I took off was this hold down bolt for this rotor, which is a 5 millimeter Allen head. And then one of them came off fine, and then the other one started to round off, so I had to use this like extractor bit. Then the next thing I took off was the caliper bracket bolts, which is an E20. It's a weird bolt, as you can see, but they're not expensive. You can get them cheap from like Amazon or something. So it's an E20. And then that's about it for this assembly. When I put the new pads on, I had a bunch of hardware, but it didn't really fit well. So I just reused the old stuff, because it was OEM. As you can see, this like half circle clip goes at the top, and then there's like another clip which is like a triangle-ish type of clip, and that goes on the bottom on this one. And it has these like springs that you also have to put on, so they retract the pads when you're not using them. And then because they kept pushing away, I just used the C-clamp to hold them down. And then when I put these the caliper bracket bolts back on, I torqued them to 129 foot-pounds. I think it did have like some thread locker, so I think I just used some red one. And then when I torqued these down, I torqued them down to 32 foot-pounds. And again, I had to use the pair of vice grips because it kept spinning. And even when I torqued them down to 32 foot-pounds, once I took out the vice grip, they still kept spinning. And so I just snugged them down just a hair more, but that was just me. So I think that's about it. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out.